In this video, we'll show you how to download and set up WinRAR on your computer. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. WinRAR is an incredibly handy tool that helps you compress and archive files. But it can also do the reverse, extracting files from archives. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to a search engine. Type in WinRAR, or you can go directly to the official website at win-rar.com. Once on the site, you'll notice an option to either purchase or download a trial version. Click on the download button. After the file has finished downloading, open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. From there, run the downloaded file to start the installation process. You'll see a security prompt, just agree to it after reviewing the details. Next, you can choose the installation folder. Then, proceed with selecting the file types you want WinRAR to handle. I recommend unchecking the double quotes .jar file type, but feel free to customize this as per your needs. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to proceed. The installation will complete, and once done, click Done. Now, let's test it out. Select some files, right-click, and hover over the WinRAR option in the menu. From here, you can add them to an archive, whether you want to create a zip or RAR file. As you can see, it's really easy to use WinRAR. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.